Eat delicious food. Yay! Hey, don't disturb me. I'm eating. Kunay, you're not going again. Punta ka lang dito para kumain, tapos alis ka na naman. Hindi ka pwedeng umalis. Dito ka lang. Tama na yung bunggami na wala ka sa bahay. It's very cold outside, huh? It's very cold outside. It's my turn to eat delicious food. What's that smell? Smell like ew. What's that in your body? It smell like nagangot. Yes, because I smear my body with nagangot something so that it will transport